spinning. Try to work you out, it's killing. Ever since my heart's been missing.
This is the test of my house smoke alarms. I'll be testing all of them. Here's my first alert. So SA 304. This one's got the light on it, and battery pops out of the side like that. So, let's go ahead and test it. Oop. Jesus, that's bright. Now, I just got a text message from Jack Williamson, 54. Alright, so now for this one. I put this one up myself. It's hardwired, it's a P12040. I can't take this thing completely off. That was the best, so here we go. Oops. Yeah. This one right here is linked to the one in the basement. Which the one in the basement came out of another building. I just have it down there. No, I do not recommend you do that. I just didn't have any other smoke detectors to put there, and the old smoke detector that went there was removed and I can't find it. I knew where it is once, but I don't know where it is now. I'll show you what was there before. And the damn glare. Actually, here's what was there before, and this is the same kind that the one was in the one that was in the basement. Now, I'm gonna take this one with me for a sec, and I'll bring that back in later. And this camera does not focus. So, here's what's here. This was used, but and it's not even hardwired, but this is what was there. Yeah, it's got a big piece of tape markings left from it because this thing wouldn't shut off once. Whenever I put a battery in, it would go off, which was kind of weird. So I just put that here, and we never had any carbon monoxide protection, so this is what was there. I decided to get it, so I had to stick with what I was going to get. So yeah, this is what was there before. This thing is kind of glitchy. So now, I'm going to get a bigger chair. Here. That's really high up there. Just out of the way. Oh, I flipped the wrong lights. One of my older videos, I did a test of this alarm right here. Okay. It's not exactly Andreas. I need to clean this off. After a year, flies have been pooping in it. That's disgusting.
Fire! Fire!
We'll go into carbon monoxide here in a little bit.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
Does that little chirp. I always think it's kind of funny. So now, yeah, these are to my headphones, because my headphones, believe it or not, are also hearing protection. The phone kind of glitches out sometimes when I have it plugged in, or I don't even know which microphone is being used, because this also has a microphone on it. So that's why you see a cord hanging around there. Now I gotta straighten this back up. Now, let's see what I got in the basement. Another one of my little older videos. I had like an old video. Well, System Test 6. Yeah, System Test 6. Now, quickly, I need to find the step stool. We got a little step stool right here. Somewhere. Can't remember where I put it. Oh, there it is. Now, it's really dark right over here. Come on. I wonder if... I'll be right back. I'm gonna need to turn the flashlight on anyway. Alright, I'm back. Here's this. This thing isn't really... I don't know why this was put here, but it was. I was like, oh, is it not going to activate? I believe this is the second generation 1275. This one can do code 3. The other one that I showed you, they used to go where that upstairs detector went. That one, why does it, how come every time I have the camera on, it does not want to fold? Alright, screw that. I'm getting some new alarms in the mail soon, like probably in like a week. Yeah, I don't like how I can't just flip off the light whenever I want to. So I'll remove that. So I guess I'll show you a little bit of the wiring. I have the flashlight on, so this should be a little easier. See? This was to the old 1275. That is in my collection bins right now. Well, as you can see, I may actually change that. Oh, is that a metal box? Holy God, that's a metal junction box back there. Actually, I can't exactly tell. I think now that I look at it, it looks a bit blue. It's wired like that. I could make a video on me actually removing this temporarily and just rewiring all the stuff. This was in my collection before I put it up here. I just had nothing else to do with it because Oh, I wanted to have it being used as a hardwired alarm. So that's why it's here. And the original mounting plate broke, but I still had the mounting plate to that one that was removed in the basement, and it fit perfectly on here. So yeah, there's that. Also, let's do another test. So yeah, I'll actually, for the fun of it, I'll also go ahead and test those other alarms that were just left over. Alright, I got these out. I'm also going to be using this. Focus, please. You dumb. But where are we going to get the battery? I don't have any other batteries, so we're going to get it out of this. I wouldn't recommend doing that, but which one shall we do first? Fine, let's do the copper one. But sometimes it's a bit hard to get out, so I'm going to go ahead and get my Allen wrench out so I can easily disconnect the battery without breaking things. Guess I have this on. I don't always do, but I have it on. Okay. So now, hopefully this should work. This ain't the easiest thing to do. With the camera in your hands, you gotta use. It wants me to use two hands to do this. Okay. Focus it a little bit more. There we go. You see? This thing's a piece of crap. And oh, it stopped. See, this thing's crap. Why even use this? I just keep it. Okay, now we're gonna do this one. This one works. But the hinge on this broke. Same with the other one. I don't know why, but I always break the hinges on these. In fact, I actually missed an alarm. I'll go ahead and grab that out. I know where it is. Well, at least I think I do. And here it is. I want to do this one first. Why not? This one, the door didn't break on this one. This one's fine, see? You see this alarm basically everywhere. I thought it'd be easier doing this. It is a little easier with this alarm. And on here for hearing protection, I like putting them on the freaking bases. Please be on the base, will ya? This one's slightly chirping. Let's bug it out. Okay, so here we go. Oh, that mounting plate was not put on correctly. Okay, next. It's this one. Sorry this video is getting kind of weird. But here you go. Okay, last one. Which is this one, which instead of just taking it off and put it in, this one's much easier to do. I can just do that. And I will explain, in another video, I'll explain why I was able to get that off. Well, I was able to, this thing was open. Alright, there you go. Now let's put that in. And, whoa. I'm almost out of memory space, so I gotta make this video quick. Actually, I need to take this down. I can't see a thing. Ow! Oh. Fuck's sake, I put that in wrong. Okay, goodbye.